If you're planning to launch or scale an online store, choosing the right Shopify plan can feel unnecessarily overwhelming. With prices ranging from $29 to thousands per month, it's easy to wonder which one truly fits your business. In this video, I'll break down every Shopify plan in simple language, what you actually get, who each plan is best for, and how you can avoid overpaying. By the end, you'll know exactly which plan to pick with confidence. Let's start with the basic Shopify plan. $29 per month. This is the go-to choice for small shops, beginners, and first-time sellers. You get your full online store, a built-in POS system, 24/7 support, discount codes, and even gift cards. For most brand new businesses, this plan has everything you need to get started. But what's the catch? Basic has a few limitations. You're capped on the number of staff accounts, you don't get access to customer reports, and market targeting tools are limited. If you plan to expand fast or handle a big product catalog, you may outgrow it quickly. Next is the standard Shopify plan, $79 per month. This is built for growing businesses. You get more staff accounts, access to Shopify's API, and lower transaction fees, a big deal if you sell a lot. You also unlock custom reporting, which helps you understand exactly where your money is coming from and what's driving sales. If you're scaling and want deeper control, this is usually the sweet spot. Then comes Advanced Shopify, $299 per month. This is where serious retailers step in. You get up to 15 staff accounts, advanced analytics, multi-currency tools, and additional sales channels. This plan is designed for stores that are generating consistent traffic and need lower transaction fees to maximize profit. If you're forecasting rapid growth, starting here early can save you the pain of migrating later. Now, for the heavy hitters, Shopify Plus, starting at $2,300 per month. This is an enterprise-level solution built for large teams and high-volume sales environments. You get dedicated support, premium security, the ability to run multiple storefronts, and even headless front ends for full customization. If you're running a major brand or need full multi-store control, this is the only plan that checks all the boxes. So which plan should you choose? If you're new, start with Basic or a free 30-day trial. If your team's growing and you need custom reports, go for the $79 Shopify plan. If you're scaling aggressively, Advanced is worth considering early. And if you're a high-volume enterprise with multiple storefronts, Shopify Plus is your best and only real option. And that's your Shopify pricing breakdown. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more simplified tech and e-commerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.